Hey guys, welcome to my new video. This is my new video in the series of every iPhone tips. There will be a lot more tips in this series, so stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to check your iPhone subscription for any applications and how to manage them. Also, you can click over here to see the playlist for my earlier videos on iPhone tips, mainly like how to download free music or free ringtones on your iPhones, how to remove water from your iPhone by just an application, and there are many more tips in this series. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Go to Settings. Then go to iTunes and App Store. Now click on your Apple ID. Click on View Apple ID. After Face ID or password verification, this page will open. Here you can see all your subscriptions. As you can see, I don't have any subscription for any application. But suppose you have any subscription for any app, you can manage from here. Not only that, you can also manage your payments and check your purchase history. So when you click on the purchase history, by default you will get last 90 days application downloaded on your iPhone. For example, I have a monthly subscription of iCloud 50 GB storage plan. So when I click here, I can see all the details. Any of the iOS devices which are attached with the same Apple ID, I can see all the purchases here. Also, if you want to see your purchases from last year or last 5-6 years, you can do so by just clicking on the last 90 days. Now here you can click on the year-wise purchase history of all your transactions. Not only this, you can also add funds to your Apple ID by clicking here. Also, you can manage your payment by clicking here. Here you can delete your existing card and add different payment method. It can be another credit card or a phone number if you have a mobile data plan. Wasn't it easy? Subscribe for more iPhone tips in the future and do hit the thumbs up if you like the video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.